Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how we can buy Bitcoin on Revolut app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Revolut app, and now from over here make sure you have some balance on your account. Once you've got the balance, go ahead, tap on this option of crypto at the bottom. Then afterwards, we're going to be tapping on this option of trade as given on the left section. And then from over here, this is how the interface is going to look like. Here in the trade section, you're going to go ahead, choose the Bitcoin that you would like to purchase from the option. Otherwise, if you don't find, then you can search as well on top. Once you've tapped on it, go ahead, tap on this option to buy on top left corner again. Then go ahead, enter the amount that you would like to buy, and then tap on review order. Once you're done doing that, tap on this confirm order at the bottom. Check out the details on top as well. And there you go, the notification gonna pop up saying you bought this amount of Bitcoin for that much amount of money, and here you go. So that is how easy it is. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.